That bitch nasty. Hey, this nigga said, hey, follow me. Nigga, what? Follow me, yeah, all right.
It be running. They be running.
Hey, how I feel, Go ahead. That shit scary, ain't it?
1,000 horsepower.
That shit violent as fuck. I know it is.
Crazy.
That bitch nasty.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, we got the hole. No, we got the hole. Cat, you hear me? Like this shit getting so big out here. Like, y'all smell that?
That's ethanol, baby.
That's cat food, by the way. No, we got the thick bitch and we got the slim bitch, by the way.
That boy gonna need some tires. Come on.
Literally. Oh shit, my cameraman.
Go get him, bro. We finna leave y'all out.
Bro, we not finna pull up. Early before go to that car view right. Hey, there.
Yeah, it's a few.
Somebody should ask me where I'm at. Man, let go.
Tell them we're finna pull up, bro.
We're 20 minutes late.
You don't never pull up on time. You know when we pull up, we gotta have at least deep in first, so we gonna do pop, pop.
I guess.
By the way. They gonna at least try the nigga to the tire shop.
No.
What?
Go back to university.
Nigga is right there.
No, it's
wait, but why? Because it's tire fault. Nigga, we just went down that whole street. How much was that bet?
How much was that? $1. That is what? What the bet?
That shit down the street.
How far? That shit 10 minutes.
Nigga, where he at? He right there at that gas
station. I'm talking about the tire shop.
And that shit 5 minutes from where he at, one bet.
5 minutes going 120. That what he mean. That what he want to say.
That shit 4 minutes.
I should be talking to film my car.
That shit 4 minutes.
Y'all ready? Let's do it. Let's go get these cats.
We too deep to do all that though.
No, we going. They gonna make it faster.
We're gonna follow you to go pick up your cameraman.
No, he right there. We're gonna carry him to the tire shop. And then we're gonna leave to the nigga house. You thought I was saying, do you want a nigga car?
Y'all don't want no gas?
What is you doing?
Yeah, man. You don't want no gas?
We need gas. We need gas.
Let's do it.
Oh, I bet that bit violent, ain't it? Tree cameraman had a flat, so it's like 10 of us in a line to limp him to the tire shop so we can go to the meet. This shit crazy, bro.
Literally, he's gonna kill these people.
No, for real.
That's crazy.
That boy, automatic shotgun coming out of the tailpipe.
So you can turn the difference around like it's a big difference.
Hey, but that's cat they're doing that same shit.
Hey, but you know what it reminds me of? You know the firecrackers, they go boom and then they go brrr. They got the little crackles after when they go boom. I like that shit.
Yeah.
That shit crazy.
I said bring earplugs tomorrow.
But hey, when you came through the parking lot, you can feel that shit in your chest.
For real?
Yeah, you can feel that shit in your chest for real. That shit crazy as hell.
That shit ring a nigga whole body. That bitch gave me a headache the minute it went off.
That's that shit that hit and get you lightheaded real quick. That smell coming out the exhaust smells so good.
Yeah, next spot. I know, bro.
Yeah, that
Blood, sweat, and tears in the shot.
Oh yeah, that supercharged cover was a nice touch too.
Yeah.
I seen that toothbrush. I'm like, what the hell he doing?
How much you think?
Ooh, it looked like a thou wow.
Closer.
It look like.
I get about 900.
I don't even know what he's looking at, bro.
Right for real.
I just know that.
What pull is that?
It's not the same,
2.6.
boy.
What come with it? 3.2, 3.4?
Yeah.
3.4? So you got 2.6. Oh yeah, you got a good amount of powder then. You done the whole step.
You ain't never done no did you? Nope. You don't want to, do you? I already know. I thought he's up there though, I ain't gonna lie. Definitely 1,000 gotta be. Yeah, it's not that. It don't matter. If it ain't 1,000, I'm going. I said regardless.
It's definitely 1,000.
It's at 900 or something.
It's definitely. I give it definitely. That's a definite 1,000. Ooh, that bitch look good, boy. Lord, look at this nigga here. Nah, it gonna be for the people. It gonna be for the people in here. Wait, that's what it's gonna be for.
You most definitely. That bitch right there, niggas thought I got shot when you came out. Like that, I'm in the street like this. They talking about some, oh, I'm good.
That blue charger was at the spot.
Well,
Yeah.
hold on, bro. We gonna wait till the shit get done, though.
Oh, he getting the change now?
I guess.
Oh, he doing tires now? Go give me 2 tires, man.
Hey, see, you already got tires for tomorrow, though.
I got some, but I need to get some more.
Yeah, I only got 2, and that's if I slide.
So you for sure got some for tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
What? Oh, my car already ready.
Yeah, it's
I
alright,
think
though.
it is. I mean,
we can turn
if
up
y'all
the
hurry up and get this over with, I'll go home and be in the garage. But
Yeah, yeah, it's chopping like a motherfucker.
at? That shit done.
It's chopping like hell. No, he didn't put the cam in. No, you didn't.
Hell no.
They been loping though.
It ain't got no cam in it. It's talking about it ain't got no cam in it.
Go ahead and put one in there.
Oh yeah, come holler at me, please.
He tuned that bit, man. That bit on E85, bro.
It looks still.
Let's see what he said.
You told people 8:30.
Told them for 8:30.
And they down at 8:30.
I don't give a damn. I told them Tuesday. I be having shit to do. I gotta eat. Goddamn, cameraman that's up the tires.
Skinny niggas always hungry though.
Matter of fact, let me see that.
Always.
What?
But we're eating tomorrow. I mean, we're see them niggas.
Niggas say we eat tomorrow.
On the back, you gotta get the back. You know what I'm saying? SRT.
Yeah. It was that hot up fuck that I can't game.
Only one only.
Yeah, you
Only one.
You do got him in 3X though, don't you? You know, I'm a big old
I
fella.
think so for real.
I'm a big old fella.
I do got that.
Make sure you charge them better for the mall.
Boy,
I did well.
y'all better bring a new mic.
Oh no, this is good.
Don't worry about my ticket.
Shit, you get close.
Nigga, you gotta do it for midnight.
That's just what's the website? That's just the plane too. What's the website?
What you gonna put on it?
Wait till you hear the race too.
You gonna put the bourbon back on it?
No, that is the bourbon.
That's just the bourbon.
That's just the bourbon.
So if you get a true flame, it's gonna be like a 5-foot flame by the making this shit. Cause you already got like a what, 2.5 foot already?
Yeah. Nah.
Flames.
Just scroll up.
The map.
You went too fast.
And that's it right now.
Yeah.
But I can do it myself. I got the H. Which one y'all bought?
Yeah, I saw that.
Switch it. Which one
I bought the general. I mean, cause I ain't know
Wait, which?
for the show tomorrow. Did you get your ticket?
Oh, I got.
Yeah. Which one you get?
Other one.
You got the 55?
What? Don't forget.
I'm about to.
I really ain't got to buy my ticket. I know pulling
For sure.
I would go by the 55 just to park on
Just in
front.
case.
Right.
Just in case he ain't really having no pool like that. You don't want to be looking at it.
But I was like, I didn't get there early enough.
Every fucking show.
If I can, I might pull that bit by 11 o'clock.
It started at
What if my car?
It started at 1.
Oh, bet.
It's gonna be ready. You're not gonna go to the event. You're not gonna go to sleep till it's ready.
Oh, it's 2 to 8. Damn, 2 to 8.
Cause it's like
I ain't gotta go to this shit. Oh, Yes, I do.
We put it like 3, 4. That's early though, bro.
It gonna be packed.
I'm just waking up.
Yeah, it's gonna be packed there too. Like it's gonna be packed.
I'm telling you, we gotta go at 1:30, bro.
I said I was gonna go around 11, 12. Cause I don't want to park in the back.
11, 12 shit.
Stop. We're gonna be jigging home. Car me tomorrow.
Jack ain't home, goddamn.
We gotta go.
You niggas be stupid about what we did with bitches on the store. They talking about where you at. Right. No, he said where we at. We on the way to the city. I said it's on the store.
Somebody sent me the same message.
I know what to do. Cash out.
Cash out.
Cash, yo.
Somebody sent me that same message. I'm trying to see.
You for $1. Nigga cold blooded.
Somebody said, who the fuck said that shit?
TJ lying.
Alright, somebody asked me if I was with you.
That bitch asked me about TJ the other night.
I want her. I want her.
TJ love the big girl.
No.
Long as they don't get on top. Over good. But that backside actually
I'm ready to go, bro. Like, what we waiting on?
Well, he finna say they got the time. Oh, you trying to go get us some food?
Say, ain't that kind of management.
Like, by all things. Let go. Y'all gonna watch the whip?
But stop. When y'all get back, I ain't gonna be here.
I bet y'all shoot that bitch up.
Damn!
They gonna be like, damn, why you hopping on the car with that fire like that? What teaser hit?
Hey, why they go always mad at you?
They ain't always mad at me.
She called us out here just to shoot us up.
Straight up.
Eat something to the Metro Mart.
Why the hell they answer?
Who?
No.
What time is it?
Like, who did it?
9:30. Yeah, he just an hour late, man.
Look, that's my time we pull up.
He a celebrity though.
Look though.
What?
I want to see that bitch shoot.
Hey, oh, you got your phone? You got your phone?
He tripped.
Why you add that?
Hey, he tripped.
But hold on.
That nigga walking like this.
Y'all niggas play too much. Don't worry about it. Look, I'ma just go see what's going on. I'll be back.
That nigga ain't coming back.
It's gonna be quick.
No, it's not.
I'll be able to bet. Hey, I'll be quick. I'm gonna draw down. Which one?
Oh my God.
Bruh. Hell nah. Boy, stop. That's what I'm saying.
You know I can't, baby.
Punching it fire. Hey, put that little shit up, man.
Don't touch me, bro.
Little ass water gun. But y'all niggas can't be for real.
They say they hungry.
Bro, when you come back, I won't be here.
The hoes already saying they on the way. Let's let the hoes get there first. You tripping? You want to get there before the niggas?
Bro, we an hour late.
What marriage?
That's my divorce.
Look at
Everything trying to lick my car? Ain't nobody there for you, player.
Trust me, I'm not gonna wreck that.
Hey, look, I just got it fixed. Nigga hit me on the highway, totaled that bitch out. I said, fuck that.
I got it.
Hey,
What about told?
you know you gotta see the trophy on the car, you bid. We gotta see the trophy on the car. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, baby, you touch me again. Camera up.
Yeah.
How you touch me again?
I beat the fat off this nigga.
I know the cut it, man. You can't let him get the talk. Good, goddammit.
We ain't said it.
You know I got to add it. Quit playing.
No, not the Honda. That boy is wilding. He is wilding. Please don't come over here. Please. Please don't come. Please. Boy, they pack getting up out of here. Get down. Red eye thing. Jailbreak thing. You see it? Wide body. He almost fucked up.